enough wasting more time. Let me go ahead and give you guys a proper 2.5 weeks of a cold start. I believe it's 50 degrees out right now, maybe a little bit less. Wish me luck now. Okay, we get it. God damn. 3.5 weeks later, I'm actually getting this Mustang back. Let's get a little cold start. Oh shit! Oh! Whoa! Almost spun out right there. Oh. We got the car back and it's running. Yes, we do have a check engine light. Don't worry, I'm working with Lund and we're getting this car tuned. Sooner or later, we'll be able to start making some content that I've been wanting to make roughly about 3 weeks, just to get my Mustang back and running, and basically just to install long tube headers and finish it out to the exhaust. On the BBK long tube headers, at the end, the flange is a 2-bolt. So whenever you try to find a header reducer that connects to the BBK long tube headers to the exhaust, usually they come in 3-bolt flange. So this is where it starts taking a little bit longer than usual, because I'm looking through multiple websites, going through AutoZone, through O'Reilly, going to multiple stores to figure out why on earth is there's no such thing as a 2 flange that will fit the headers. Just simply bolt on and then finish it out in the exhaust. I just couldn't find one that will fit, and B, will find one that's a 2-bolt flange. So those were the 2 major setbacks. I ended up going back to another shop and I was like, you know what, I'm sick and tired of waiting. I want my car done and I want it done right this time. Final, that's it, I want it back. So we went ahead, talked to the guy. I was like, look, just order the BBK catalytic converters that are meant for these headers, so that way they could just attach, bolt on, and then just finish it out through the exhaust, so that way I won't have to be going back and forth between shops, because that's how it was within that 2 to 3 weeks, going to shop to shop to shop. And as always, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, comment down if you are new. Maybe get a fast car, but as well as be on a budget, because your boy is gonna be broke for a minute, because this whole going back and forth cost me roughly about $4,500.